In cybersecurity, virtual machines have long been heralded as a sanctuary for safely analyzing malware and mitigating risks. However, recent developments in exploit chaining, a technique that involves linking multiple vulnerabilities together to achieve a larger, more impactful exploit, have shattered this illusion of invulnerability. With a single click of a malicious link, a carefully crafted exploit chain can navigate through layers of security, ultimately granting system authority on a host machine. The video dives into how a chain of 6 vulnerabilities can be exploited to break out from a virtual machine, illustrating that VMs can no longer be considered a bulletproof solution for malware analysis. This exploit chain was demonstrated in an international conference held in Singapore in June 2024. Imagine an unsuspecting user receiving an email that includes a seemingly harmless link. At first glance, this link appears benign, but it's a ticking time bomb. When the user clicks on it, they unknowingly set off a chain reaction that compromises their system. Embedded within this innocuous link is a piece of JavaScript code engineered to exploit a critical vulnerability, specifically CVE 2023-3079. This vulnerability affects popular web browsers such as Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, allowing attackers to bypass the browser security mechanisms. Here's how it unfolds. Once the link is clicked, the JavaScript payload is activated. This script is meticulously crafted to target and exploit the specific weakness in the browser. CVE 2023-3079 is known to allow attackers to execute arbitrary code by leveraging flaws in the way the browser handles certain web content. As soon as the script executes, it gains control over the browser's execution environment. This initial compromise grants the attacker a foothold within the virtual machine. The browser's sandbox, designed to isolate and protect the system from malicious code, is bypassed, allowing the attacker to run their payload with elevated privileges. The immediate goal of this initial exploit is to create a gateway for further attacks. With the browser's defenses breached, the attacker can now proceed to deploy additional exploits or malware, paving the way for a broader compromise of the VM. This seemingly trivial action of clicking a link has, in reality, opened the door to a sophisticated attack vector. The user, unaware of the danger, has inadvertently facilitated the attacker's entry into their virtual environment, making it a critical vector for exploitation. Now that the first exploit has obtained a foothold in the VM, it's time to escalate control. Here's how it's done. Injecting threads. Using CVE 2023-21674, the exploit injects threads into a higher privileged process. Imagine sneaking into a restricted area by exploiting a security flaw. Memory manipulation. With these threads in place, it is possible to read and write to the memory of the elevator process, like altering critical files in a secure environment. Executing code. Finally, by executing the malicious code within this higher privileged context, this exploit performs actions that are normally off-limits, such as installing malware or accessing sensitive data. By chaining these steps, attackers can move from basic shell access to gaining full control over the VM, setting up for further exploitation. Having secured system access within the virtual machine, attackers can now command almost unlimited control. This elevated privilege allows them to alter system configurations, access confidential data, and initiate further exploits without restriction. The virtual machine, originally a defensive measure against external threats, is now thoroughly compromised. The next phase of the attack is even more audacious, escaping the confines of the virtual machine to infiltrate the host system. To accomplish this, the attacker leverages a known vulnerability in the virtual machine software, specifically CVE 2023-29360, which was demonstrated during PodToOn 2023 in Vancouver. Dubbed the beautiful logical vulnerability, This exploit is notable for its ability to pierce through the virtualization layer, permitting attackers to execute arbitrary code directly on the host system. Successfully breaking out of the VM underscores the attacker's advanced technical prowess and deep understanding of both the virtualization software and the underlying hardware architecture. The exploit of breaking out of the VM marks a pivotal moment in this exploit chain. By targeting a specific vulnerability in VMware, known as the vBluetooth uninitialized memory leakage, a variant of CVE 2023-20870, highlighted at PwnToOn 2023 in Vancouver, attackers can effectively bypass the VM security parameters. This breach is particularly concerning as it undermines the foundational principles of VMs, robust isolation from the host environment. Upon successfully penetrating the VM's defenses, attackers can secure a position on the host machine. This achievement not only underscores this exploit chain's technical acumen, but also the risk where attackers can navigate and exploit the security layers designed by virtualization software. With this new level of access, attackers are poised to pursue total control over the entire system, showcasing the critical nature of such vulnerabilities in virtual environments. Upon establishing a presence on the host machine, this exploit chain will encounter new obstacles and potential. This exploit chain must now circumvent the host system's robust security frameworks. To facilitate this, it capitalizes on a specific vulnerability within the host operating system, namely the VMware vBluetooth Stack Overload vulnerability, identified at PwnToOn 2023 in Vancouver. This flaw is located within the Bluetooth Service Discovery Protocol, offering a direct route to elevate privileges. This privilege escalation is critical within the attacker's framework. It transitions the payload from a limited user account to a more authoritative system level. Achieving this requires meticulous strategy and precise execution to avoid triggering any security alarms. Each move made at this stage is pivotal, underscoring the sophisticated nature of such attacks and the vulnerability of even well-protected systems. The climax of this exploit chain is the exploitation of a system authority vulnerability on the host machine, specifically a Windows streaming service type confusion vulnerability. This vulnerability, already observed in the wild and associated with the same driver as CVE 2023-29360, used for guest local privilege escalation, is critical for escalating privileges to system level on the host. Achieving system access is the pinnacle of the attacker's objectives, granting them unrestricted control over the entire host system. With this level of access, attackers are capable of executing any command, accessing all types of data, and tailoring the system operations to their objectives. The ramifications of such control are profound, encompassing potential data breaches, unauthorized system configurations, and extensive manipulation, which underscores the critical nature of securing systems against such sophisticated threats. This exploit chain's ability to seamlessly integrate multiple vulnerabilities demonstrates the complexity and precise coordination required to execute such an attack. Each exploited vulnerability serves as a crucial link, propelling the exploit from one stage to the next. This orchestrated sequence of breaches exemplifies characteristics of advanced persistent threats known for their stealth, technical sophistication, and ability to remain undetected. The sequence of exploits challenges the widely held belief that virtual machines offer a secure sanctuary for malware analysis and testing. This attack not only breaches the supposed isolation provided by VMs, but also exploits multiple security layers to seize complete control of the system. This revelation should serve as a wake-up call to tech enthusiasts and professionals alike, signaling that traditional security models are under constant assault by evolving threats. The repercussions of such an attack are severe. Once system access on the host is achieved, the attacker can steal sensitive data, deploy additional malicious software, and establish a long-term presence within the system. The ramifications for both organizations and individuals are significant, underscoring that no environment is entirely immune to skilled attackers. The era of depending solely on virtual machines as a comprehensive defense against malware has ended. This detailed exploration of a multi-layered exploit chain reveals vulnerabilities within even the most trusted security mechanisms. The sophistication of these attacks underlies the urgent need for ongoing vigilance and the implementation of cutting-edge security strategies. Are you still convinced that testing malware or engaging with phishing links in virtual machines is safe? It's time to reconsider. The cybersecurity landscape is continuously advancing, necessitating that our defensive measures evolve in tandem. Staying informed and proactive is crucial in combating these formidable cyber threats. The perception of security is fragile and can be dismantled with just one click, leading to catastrophic outcomes. Remain alert, stay educated, and never underestimate the capabilities of contemporary cyber adversaries. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We hope it was informative without causing too much alarm. See you in the next one.